Number 4. Instant Pot Duo Crisp and Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Duo Crisp and Air Fryer is a kitchen game changer you didn't know you needed. Combining pressure cooking with an air frying function, it transforms meal prep. This multifunctional powerhouse boasts an 8-quart capacity, perfect for large families or batch cooking enthusiasts. 11 presets ensure ease of use, whether you're roasting, baking, or steaming. You won't need multiple gadgets cluttering your countertop anymore. When used chicken came out juicy and vegetables were perfectly tender. However, chunky fries weren't as crisp as expected. If you prefer ultra crispy fries, this may require some tweaking. A slight downside is the cooking pot's lack of a non-stick surface. Cleaning it takes some effort. Also, if you need a rack for steaming veggies, it's a separate purchase. What really stands out is its versatility. Imagine making yogurt, slow cooking a stew, and then air frying wings all with one device. This seamless transition from one cooking style to another is what sets it apart from similar models on the market. Not everything is perfect, though. The air frying feature could use an improvement in crisping. Despite this minor hiccup, its multifunctional capabilities make it the best multifunctional pressure cooker available. For anyone tired of juggling multiple kitchen gadgets, this is the solution. Still searching for the perfect pressure cooker? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.